It's so hot. Like, it is hot. Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome. I hope you guys are doing a-okay. I'm rocking my chair. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Juliana. You can call me Julie, and welcome to the game. So yes, today's video we're going to do unboxing, unloading, however you wanted to call it, but literally we're going to unload our box. My unboxing is very inconsistent. I just wanted to let you know. So I don't do unboxing every month, unlike before. There are times that it really bores me. I stopped some of them, specifically Boxycharm. Boxycharm was out of my life for more than a year. A friend of mine who happens to be a YouTuber who loves Boxycharm, and she told me, why don't you get it again, try it, they have good stuff, cool stuff. So I said, okay, why don't we give it a shot. Right now my life with IPSY is a little on the edge. That's the reason why I stopped two of my IPSY boxes, the Ultimate and the regular glam bag, which is the $12. Those boxes are on vacation right now. I wanted to just, go out and smell the roses kind of thing. Okay, now let's start with IPSY's. This is our box for May 2020, as the box is so big. They have 5 full sizes, like full. Hey! They have 5 full sizes every month, $25, and the theme for this month is glow, like my face. I'm glowing. This is our makeup pouch. They have good quality makeup pouches. So first off, we have this one from Tarte Cosmetics. This is the Sugar Rush A+ brush set. I don't know how much the price, but I just open it. There's nothing, there's no list here. Usually IPSY send list of your goods, complete with detail, what is the product for, how much it is in retail, you know what I mean? But this time there's nothing. These are 3 brushes, good quality product. Knowing Tarte, their design is eye-catching. Their marketing strategy when it comes to packaging is top-notch. And then I think this is the one that I picked. And this one is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment from Sunday Riley. Okay, next up, this is the High Def Defining Volumizing Mascara from BFR. So Beauty for Real. So this is the mascara. It looks like the applicator from one of MAC mascara. Yeah, this is very promising. And then next up, we have the Vineyard Soiri eyeshadow palette from Color Drain. It's tiny and it's very ideal for traveling. This is my first item from Color Drain. These are the swatches, and they're very cool tone, very spring vibe. The formula is so creamy. It's pigmented. I'm looking forward to use this. And then last one from our IPSY box. This one is from Wonder Beauty, and it looks like a setting. Yep, it's a setting brow gel. The applicator is so tiny and it's very easy to maneuver. This is a winner. I love it. Okay, now let's move on with our boxy. It's quite heavy. Oh my goodness, I have a lot in this box. So this is the basic. This is $25, same as IPSY Plus. Used to be, back in the day, $21. They have 5 to 6 items every month, and the theme for this month is Mother Nature. The box that I received is number 24 curation. All your goodies are in this card, so we're going to use this as our guide. And first off, we have the, ooh, wow, Elemis. Oh my goodness, Elemis is a freaking expensive skincare product. The one that we got is the Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. This is an exfoliator. Yes. And this one has a patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid. Yes, I just said so. it's an exfoliator. So this is considered as chemical exfoliator. It is infused with probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smoothen your skin. This one retails for $59. Okay, next item. This is from Juli. This is the High Pigment Lip Gloss, and I am in shade Sloan. Oh my goodness, I will try it. This is very luxurious. It's peach. Okay, I don't know how you like it, but it is so spring. I like the color. Next up, we have the Thirsty Cover and Conceal Crayon. Okay, I am in shade Bisque. This must be a big crayon. Oh, what the heck? This is a waste of paper. This is the box. This is the product. It has a magnetic sealing cap. There's a blending sponge. It says here, finally you can have an extra smooth, easy glide application with full and flexible coverage. And they said that it is magnetized. Look at this. Oops! Brilliant. It will give you a lightweight feel. The ultra creamy, long-lasting formula takes coverage and correction to a new level. This one is $24. I love how it glides on my skin. This is very promising. Next up, we have the Ace Beauty eyeshadow pod. They are both shimmer. This one is cotton candy. The other one is ice latte. I love the color. It's so summer. Last but not the least, we have the Tarte Micellar Magic Makeup Remover. This one retails for $18. And by the way, the eyeshadows from Ace Beauty, they are $25, so $12.50 each. This is from Tarte Cosmetics. Yeah, it says here, sample not for sale. Look at that. Look at this. This is the pump. Oh yes, there's no coconut scent in it, so I am thrilled because I can use this. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for my May 2020 Boxycharm. Okay, yes, I sum it up and I went online to get the information for IPSY. The total value of my IPSY Plus for May 2020 is $167. That's a good deal. And then Boxycharm is $143. That's a good deal as well. If you're going to ask me which box I'm going to choose, I would choose Boxycharm. And that's it for our IPSY and Boxycharm unboxing. I hope I can put these two boxes together and create a full face makeup. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.